Hey guys, what's up? So today we're gonna break down the song "Yes" by Shekinah Glory. We're in the key of F sharp. So let's take a listen to it.
Hallelujah. Glory to Jesus. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Jesus, thank you. Glory to Jesus. Thank God for Jesus. Hallelujah. My. Hey, how we bless your name. How we bless your name.
Okay, so let's get straight into it. So this part is in the key of F sharp, as I mentioned, or you could play that works. All right, so let's move on. So this is basically a 7-3-6, 7-3-6. So let's break it down. So the right hand plays again. So the left hand has this. Sometimes if you can reach the A flat, you can play that. And you want to slide from the B flat to the B. Alright, so let's continue. Alright, so this move is so let's break it down. The right hand has so you slide from the second finger to the third one, then you jump to the second one. So you need to do that jump. And that's over the 3. So you can play that, you can play this, you can play that. Okay, so let's move on. So this is a drop 2 movement, right? So it's basically this chord. We play the B flat down here. We play the A flat down here. Then we go to the F sharp inversion, play the F sharp down here. This is C sharp, play the F here. The E flat minor inversion, play the E flat here. And then we go to the C sharp inversion, play the C sharp here. And you notice I basically did like a slide. So you want to do that at the beginning. We did it here as well. And guys, if you want more drop 2 movements like this, you can check out my drop 2 MIDI pack. Let's move on.
Glory to Jesus. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
So that's the move. Again. So it starts on the F. Alright, so let's continue.
Glory to Jesus.
I believe I did the 5. Let's check it again.
Glory to Jesus.
So that's the 5. You could play this. Right? So let's move on.
Hallelujah.
Yeah, now for this one, it's a bit tricky. So let's break it down. In the right hand, we have this. We're holding down the C sharp throughout the movement. So we have the F sharp played with the second finger. We have the third finger playing the A flat. We're sliding down to the A with the third finger. We're going back to the A flat with the second finger. We're playing the F sharp with the thumb. And we're sliding down to the F with the thumb. And we're finishing with F sharp, the second finger. So guys, it may be a bit difficult if you're playing this for the first time. So guys, so just make some time and practice it over and over until it becomes very easy. And the left hand now, we're playing this. So we go to So we move whenever we hit A flat. That's when we move to the B. We come back to the A flat when we hit the F sharp. Then we go to the F. This goes to the A flat. And we go back up. Right? So guys, just take some time and work that out. So now we have this move. So we're playing the 2. You can play this if you want, or just this to the 4. We're going to the 6. This again, the drop tool is basically the E flat minor, but we're playing the F down here. And we're sliding from the C sharp to the E flat. And we go to the C sharp, play the F down here. Right? So let's move on. So we have this move. So it's basically a diminish. F sharp diminish, to the F diminish, went to the 6, is 176. What we played, you can watch that. So it's a diminished, as I mentioned, just broke it up. Again, that one, this, so you learned a new way to get to the 6 from the 1, from the 2, from the 3, from the 4, the 6, from the 1, 6, you choose. Let's move on. And that chord is this. You could play it like this, or that. Right? Let's move on again. So I did this move. You could play it like this. So we played a chromatic move from the B flat. Again. Alright, so let's move on. So this move is, so we're going to the 1, you could play this. This is basically this chord. We're taking it up a semitone. Right? Very easy.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
So we have, this chord. Well, you can play it this way, play it that way. It just won't have the bass note. Right? So the other chord is,
Hallelujah. Yes, I can.
and they're saying that's absolutely crazy. How can you possibly stretch to that? But guys, you don't have to worry. You don't have to play that. You could play right. So you can either play this or that, then we move to this chord. Right? Right, let's move on. So we're playing the 4. We're back to the simpler chords. Simple 5. Can play that. Can play that. Can play that, or You choose which way you prefer. Alright, let's move on. And we play this. Then, and I showed you that at the beginning. Then we had a move after this. So this chord, we go up a semitone. So this chord, you can play it this way, or this. Right? We have this chord now. You can play it this way. Right? Let's move on. And that's the same thing again, just played it at the higher registers. Then I played it at the lower register. And that's basically it, guys. So give it a shot, play this video again until you get it. I know it may be a bit difficult to reach some of those chords, but I gave you the alternatives that you could use. So guys, just watch the video again and see you next time.